students, welcome in our continuation of the parts retrosynthetic analysis. What is the analysis of given types of the compound? As we know that this hydroxy group, it is present in hydrocarbons, that is we call this is the alcohol. So this is the alcoholic compound. How it is obtained? We know what is the analysis plan. The plan of the synthesis, if you have to the lone pair of electron on oxygen atom having tendency to attack on these types of the carbon here. So whatever this if you want to the break the CC bond, this one CC disconnection, then we will obtain this hydroxy group is as it is one CC disconnection. This will the positive charge. Again this another synthons, this pH CS2, this one is the Br. If I show now, this is the part of the Grignard reagent species is the Grignard reagents, and this is what, as you can say, this is the pH, and directly I am written this is the synthon or synthetic equivalents. So this is the obtains these two reagent species. So what is the synthesis? What is the plan of synthesis? If you have to, this is again analysis of this plan, target molecules. This goes to the formation of CS2, and this hydroxy group is here. If you have the synthesis plan, in the plan of synthesis, what happened in the plan of synthesis? We are having this is the alcohol, PFCS2OH, and this is treated with what? PBr3, and here the red phosphorus as a catalysis. This is what is converted into PFCS2Br, and this is what it is reacted with the magnesium metal. It is reacted with magnesium metal, triether as an organic solvent, then formation of what? PFCS2MgBr. It is going to the formation of what? Grignard reagent. It is going to the formation of the Grignard reagent. In the second species, we are having what? This is a cyclohexanol. This cyclohexanol is, again, if it is reacted with what? These types of the species is obtained, and here again this is going to the formation of, if we are to analysis of the plan, this is going to the formation of what? A cyclohexene. If the cyclohexene is here, then what happen? Or we can take these types of the first reagent species, this synthon. It is we want to, this is the formation of what? Again the epoxide species. This is the plan of analysis. As you can take, this is cyclohexene. This is reacted with the MCPBA. So it is a per acid. What happened? It is converted into what? Epoxide, oxirane, cyclic ether. Then it is reacted with what? pH, CS2MgBr, Grignard reagent, in presence of triether as an organic solvent, and formation of what? Target compound. This is what a synthesis plan. Then second molecules, what is the analysis plan? Here again hydroxy group. If you have to break these types of the bond, CC disconnection, very simple. So what happen here? If we want to the CC disconnection, there is formation of this CHO aldehyde. Again this aldehyde is FGI, function of interconversion. This is going to the formation of what? Alcohol is there, CS2OH primary alcohol, and then what happen? This CS2OH and primary alcohols. This is another reactant species is what? This reagent pH, again CS2, and this is what I am written directly MgBr. If you are to, this is a species, two species. Again what is the plan of synthesis here? इसका plan of synthesis क्या होगा? जैसे कि हम यहाँ पे लिख सकते हैं. So what is the plan of given types of the compound? Plan of synthesis. What is the plan of synthesis? यहाँ पे जो synthetic equivalent हमने synthon बनाया. So this is what you can take. This is the in a synthesis plan. What is the plan of synthesis? This is the analysis. यहाँ पे हमने क्या किया? इसका analysis किया. So analysis में हमने ये reagent, ये starting reactant form किया. So if you are to these types of the compound, that is the cyclohexanol CS2OH, if it is treated with what, HCl hydrochloric acid and CrO3 chromium trioxide as oxidizing reagent, so what happen, oxidizing reagent, then this primary alcohol is converted into what, aldehyde. Primary alcohol is converted into aldehyde, and this aldehyde is treated with PHCH2 CH2 MgBr. This is going to the formation of, in presence of ether, diethyl ether, then formation of what, this is going to the formation of again CH2 here. How many carbon? One carbon is there. 1 2 3, 1 2 and 3 is here. 1 2 3 carbon, and this is the pH, and this convert into the OH. This is what target compound. This is what a target molecules. तो यहाँ पे फर्स्ट एनालिसिस करना है अल्कोहल कैसे प्रिपेयर होता है. जनरली हम अल्कोहल यहाँ पे ग्रिग्नार्ड रिएजेंट से प्रिपेयर होता है, और रिडक्शन ऑफ aldehyde and ketone, reduction of carbonyl compound is converted into the alcohol, as in that formaldehyde is converted into this primary alcohol, acetaldehyde is converted into the secondary alcohol, and ketone or acetone is converted into tertiary alcohol. So this is the plan of synthesis. Again, as we know that basic formaldehyde oxidation of formaldehyde, oxidation of acetaldehyde, and oxidation of acetone, it is converted into what? Again, this is the secondary alcohol by using what, a reducing reagent. If instead of reducing reagent, if we goes to the by using the Grignard reagent, formation of this is the primary alcohol, this converted into primary alcohol, this converted into secondary, and this one is converted tertiary. इसका primary alcohol होगा, इसका secondary होगा, इसका tertiary होगा by using what, Grignard reagent. So this is what plan of synthesis here. Analysis followed by synthesis is known as retrosynthesis.